If, like me, you don't like those Aero hubcap and you want to turn them into those instead, looks better as you can see, well, stay tuned because you are going to find out right now how to do it. Let's go. And the first thing to get you started, it's to get those Aero wheel cap from Tesla. You order those and then we go to the next step. And of course, the link is on the description to be able to find those very quickly. Tesla Model 3 Aero wheel cap kit. That's the 2.0 version. Here we go, that's the box. That's how they arrive. Looks very nice packaging already, but let's see how they look like. Ta-da! Look at that, it's very well presented. They look quite nice with this matte black. So yes, that's the back of them with this ring here, metal ring to hold them in place once they are installed. So here we go. Very nice, a little bit dusty. Nice and shiny, but those are the logo that I'm going to turn red. I'm going to show you in a minute how I do that, but here we go. From factory, from Tesla directly. That's 4 wheel cap to cover those Aero wheel. Once you remove the hubcap, and then you put that in the wheel. I'm going to show you that in a minute, but here we go. That's how they come from factory. And now let's do the procedure to turn those little silver logo into red one. Let's go. And for this procedure, we will need those custom cut graphic. Those are the ones I'm going to install on those wheel cover. So there are 5 of them and 1 spare. That's great. In case if you messed up one, you have 1 spare, and they have 2 alcohol wipes included as well in the kit, and installation instruction. I put the link in the description of where you can get those red stickers, those set. So let's open and see how they look like. There we go. Let's be careful to don't lose anything, and here we go. So those are the little red stickers included, 5 of them, and they will match perfectly the color of the car. Here is a color sample to compare to your car paint before to apply those stickers if you want. And those are the alcohol wipes to prep your wheel cap before applying, very important, and the instruction how to install. It's like if you like the product, but how to install are included here with this QR code. And this is if you have any issue, you can contact them and they will send you replacements. So this company is great and stand behind their product, which is also something very nice. All right, time to turn those wheel cap into something better with the red logo in the middle. First, we're going to use some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, to clean everything where the logo is going to be glued on. Be sure there is no grease and everything will be sticking perfectly. Just leave it to dry. It's going to take a few minutes and it will be good to go. So I'm going to do the bottom one. Here we go. Next step. Just grab your custom cut graphic sticker, link in the description. Here we go. So, like I showed you before, they do come with some alcohol wipes, but I don't need those because I had my rubbing alcohol bottle. But if you don't have the rubbing alcohol bottle yourself, you can use those to prep the surface before to apply those wrap. All right, let's grab one and prepare it. Here we go. It's going to go right there. A little side note, they will glue better, they will stick better if those are warm. If they are very cold, the vinyl will not stick as well on cold surface versus hot, warm surface. So keep that in mind. If you are in the snow, in the cold weather, you may want to warm those up a little bit with a heat gun before to apply those stickers. Now you want to be sure that the transfer paper stick correctly to the graphic. So I'm pressing all over the graphic with my finger. Be sure that it's stuck to the transfer paper. And now I'm going to open sideways, if it makes sense, in diagonal. So like so. Not from top to bottom or bottom to top or side, just on diagonal like so, sideways. And now the logo should stick to the transfer paper. There we go. Now time to align correctly. Take your time, the logo with the logo in the bottom on the cap here. As you can see, when I make mistake, I can unstick it and restick it. So it really takes some time. You have to have some patience there. But once you are happy with the position, now I'm going to use my finger starting from the center and then go like so toward the edges. Press firmly all around the red area. If you have one of those squeegee, if you like me, you use a lot of vinyl wrap, this is very useful and you may have that laying around. You can also use that to be sure that everything sticks correctly on this wheel cap. All right, once we are happy with that, the next step is going to be peel it out. So again, we start from one of the corner, not from the side or top or bottom. So one of the corner, going to grab it here. It's not easy, my big hand are masking what I'm doing, so maybe I start from this side. There we go. And now we are going sideways like so. Be sure that the logo will stay. If not, you can push it back with your finger. And we go slowly. Again, I try to show you what I'm doing. We go slowly pulling out the transfer paper or the transfer sticker on the side like so. Hop. Ta-da! One done, 3 more to go. And if you want, it's me, I'm very OCD with my stuff, so if you are like me, you can take a little fiber cloths, microfiber cloths, and still be sure that the logo is in correctly. Let's try that correctly. So with the finger, hop, pressing everything again correctly with the microfiber cloths, and be sure that the wrap is correctly settled inside this groove, this silver groove that you can see here on the other cap. So there we go, last step before to go to the other one. Et voila, all done. Looking great already, and they will look even better once installed on the car. And remember guys, this seller is awesome because he gives you also a spare one, so you have 5 logos in case if you messed up one, you have a spare one. But in case if you messed up even more, the seller tells you that there is free replacement available up to 90 days after purchase. So in case if you messed up lots, you can also contact them and they stand behind their product and will help you to achieve the best result. All right, all good to go? Up in storage now until it's time to install them in the car. First step, of course, is to remove those like so. You pull up slowly, be careful to don't break the clip. Here we go, revealing some kind of nice wheel actually. And those, well, you can save them in case if you need them later before you sell your car, for example, or if you change your mind, or you can sell them on eBay. They go for some quite money actually. All right, the other one. Yeah, of course, now that all the hubcap are gone, your wheel may need a little wash. So let's wash the car next, and then we are going to install those cover right here. Let's go.
1 hour later.
Here we go. After cleaning all your car and especially your wheel as good as you can. It's not easy, it's a lot of dirt and brake dust and all that. But anyway, doing your best. Now it's time to install those Aero wheel cap. So, of course, the one we prepared before with the nice red logo on it. Up, take one here. And now we're just going to apply it here gently. Hop. There we go. Now it's in place correctly, strong. It's not going to go away when you drive, that's important. And here we go. Looks very nice, as you can see, and fits perfectly with the wheel. And now we do the 3 other one. Let's go. And of course, last little touch, I cannot resist. I'm sure some of you may agree with me, but this little valve cap green, it's not very nice looking, so I'm going to replace that by those, which are some valve cap, red color, very nice, shiny, aluminum, lightweight, and will make a nice combo, nice look, general look of the wheel. So last little detail, but look at that, makes all the difference already. So here we go. Red, silver, black, all is installed, and I hope this video has been useful for you. Now you know a little bit more what to do if you want to enhance your Tesla with those simple tricks. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Minimalist hubcap. Here we go. 4 of them directly from Tesla. So that's how they look like in the box. It's not hubcap. Wheel cap. So here we go. That's 4 wheel cap. I put the link in the description where you can get those red sticker, those set. So if like me you want to turn those into that, into this, into those. If, like me, you are not a big fan of this... First step, get those kits from Tesla, those... And the first thing to do before to get you started is to get this wheel hubcap. Aero wheel cap.